Guys, I'm back again and we are just going to cross 5,000 views. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for love my content, for like my content. Thank you so much. Now comes to the topic. Samsung will announce the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus next month at MWC 2018 in Barcelona. The phones are almost ready for market launch since they just passed FCC certifications. According to Federal Communication Commission listings, the phone will have model numbers SMG960 for the Galaxy S9, S9 SMG965 for the S9 Plus. They will support all major LTE, GSM, CDMA and UMTS bands and will be manufactured in Vietnam, China and Korea. The FCC certification approved models SMG960U, SMG960U1, SMG960W and SMG960XU. The first two are most likely to be US version of the Galaxy S9, while the third one is the variant for Canada. Samsung also needs plenty of demo units for promo activities. They will get the fourth model number. The same goes with the SMG965 monikers of the Galaxy S9 Plus. According to a leaked retail box from Friday, the new flagship will have super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel camera with variable aperture that can take super slow-mo videos. It will also come with stereo speakers by AKG and plenty of well-known features like IP68 certifications, improved iris scanner and wireless charging. According to Brazil's National Telecommunication Agency, Anatel has published its certifications of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The document contains some legalese, but the juicy bit is the battery capacity. The S9 will have a 3000 mAh battery, while the S9 Plus model will pack 3500 mAh battery, same as last year. But I think it will perform better than the last year's model because 2017 leaks says that Samsung will use graphene battery on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus model, so I think that it performed better than the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. The new Galaxy S9 Duo will come with the new chipset Snapdragon 845 and Exynos 9810, which are more power efficient than the current selection of chips. The Qualcomm chip, for example, promises a 30% better power efficiency. According to Aaron Blass, famous for his leaks on Twitter, the company will announce the phone on February 26th. A C-level executive at a major casemaker said pre-orders will begin just 3 days later on March 1st. The actual shipment and global release would happen on 16th March. In 2017, the Galaxy S8 arrived a month later than usual, but this time the Korean manufacturer is getting back to its 2016 release frames. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily tech videos. And let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up and see you soon.